In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to extract coordinate from Google Earth Pro. Okay, so to do that, I will navigate to the area that I want to extract my coordinate. Okay, so I will come over here to search for the place. Okay, so I want to extract the coordinate for Kwara. Okay, so here is where I want to extract the coordinate. So I will come over to add path. Okay, all right, right click on it, then draw this line. Okay, to add my path. Okay, so I will sketch the line as much as I can. Okay, after doing that, I will leave the cursor and change the name. Okay, so I will name it to be line. After doing that, I will click on OK. Okay, so you can see where we have the line here. I will right click on it where I save my data. I will right click on it and come over to save as place. Save place as rather. Okay, so I will navigate to where I want to save my KML file. Okay, so save type, I will choose KML. Okay, then I will give it a name. After doing that, I will click on save. Okay, so to extract the coordinate, I will open my browser. Okay, I will open my browser and open a new tab. Okay, and type GPS visualizer. GPS visualizer, and then I will click on enter. Okay, so I will come over to this first one, GPS visualizer. I will click on it. Okay, so after that, I will come over to, you can see how the interface look like. Okay, so I will come over to convert a file. I will click on it to open. Okay, output format, I will leave it to be at plain text. Okay, then I will come over to upload your file here. Okay, I will come over to this one, file number 1. You can upload as many files as you can. So I will right click on choose file. Okay, Then I will come over here to navigate to the folder that I save my work. Okay, I will click on it and click on open. Okay, so you can see where we have our KML file. Okay, I have successfully uploaded the KML file. Okay, so after that I will come over to plain text delimiter. So I want to make it to be in CSV format because I want to open the data in Excel. So I will choose on comma, then come over to plain text output. I will leave it to be at matrix, that is in meter. Okay, after doing that I will come over to show advanced option. Okay, I will click on it, then I will scroll down because I need the northern and the eastern coordinate and the altitude. Okay, so I will come over to add them elevation data. Okay, so you can see we have so many sources here, so I will choose on base available source. Okay, after doing that I will scroll down to output UTM coordinate. So I will click on it to choose on yes because I want the northern and the eastern. Okay, and the altitude also. Okay, so after that I will come over to convert. I will click on it to convert. Okay, you can see that our KML has been converted to CSV. Okay, so here is the link to download. You can also copy the coordinate. Okay, so I will click on download to download the whole data. Okay, here is the data. So I will click on open to view the data in Excel. Okay, so guys, that is how to extract coordinate using Google 8 Pro. Okay, do well to hit on the subscribe button. Thank you very much. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.